In this one we discuss LeetCode fourth problem of our SQL 50 series. Problem name is invalid tweets. So what is actually given? They are given a SQL schema, or actually table name is tweets. Okay, and the columns are tweet ID and content. Tweet ID is of integer type and content is varchar. Tweet ID is a primary key. Okay, so it will be unique, right, for this table. This table contains all the tweets in a social media app. Write a solution to find the IDs of the invalid tweets. So what is the invalid? A tweet is invalid if the number of characters used in the content of the tweet is strictly greater than 15. Okay, return the result table in any order. Okay, so for this table, tweets table, there is tweet ID and content. This is one, tweet ID 1 and content is vote for Biden. So how many characters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right, there are actually 12. Here actually for this tweet ID 2, what is actually number of character? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Already crossed 12, 15. So it will be actually greater than 15. So I have to print only 2 here. That's the output is tweet ID and the output is only 2. Got it? What is the point, right? Here also 14, they actually explain 14. Why actually 14? Because there are 2 space, that's why plus 2, this is 14. Got it? So I actually, what actually have to print? I have to print, so I have to select actually what? Select, I have to print only tweet ID from tweets table. So here if we stop, don't put any condition here actually. So what actually print? It will print 1, then 2 in this way, right? But what actually they want? They want only the tweet ID of invalid tweets. What is the invalid tweet? Invalid tweets is length of content is greater than 15. So I have to put that where length of content is greater than 15. I want to select only those tweet ID. Got it? So for this, go to the code actually, select tweet ID from tweets table where length of content is greater than 15. I want to select only invalid tweets ID, right? That time only we will select only 2 here, output will be 2. Got it, right? And also understood the code also, right? Thank you.